Welcome. In this lesson, we will look into Hello World program, username construction, and where you can get COBOL compiler. This is an example of Hello World program in COBOL language. If you look into this example, the actual coding is start from column 8, which is area A, and some part of the coding is start from area B, which is column 12 to 72. The other columns like column 1 to 6 are line number or sequence number. Column 7 is either for comment or continuation. Now let's understand this program line by line. The first line, line 100, is a comment line. If you observe in column 7, there is a asterisk sign which stands for comment line. And after that the actual comment is mentioned, which is I am a comment. The next line, that is line number 200, has mentioned identification division. Identification division is the first division which tells about the identity of the program, and it has one statement which says program ID and the program name is Russell World in the line 250. After identification division, the next division is procedure division. In this division, you write the actual logic of your program. After procedure division line, the next line, that is 350, is having a hyphen first para. This is a username which is defined by a programmer. Under the paragraph a first para, there is a display statement. Display statement is having a message hello world, and this message will appear on the screen. The last line is stop run, which tells the system to stop execution of program. So this is a small and simple hello world program in COBOL. As you might have realized, only display statement is written from area B. Rest all the lines have started from area A. Please make a note that all the division names, section names, paragraph names, file description entries, 01 level number must start from area A. We will discuss about file description and 01 level in later lessons, so don't worry about them. In this Hello World program, program name Russell-World and paragraph name A-first-para is user defined name. There are rules related to name construction. A username must contain at least one character and should not be more than 30 characters. It should have one alphabetic character and should not start or end with a hyphen. You can construct a username from the characters A to Z or number 0 to 9 and hyphen. Because hyphen can be mistaken for a minus sign, a word cannot be begin or end with a hyphen. Usernames are not case sensitive. If you're writing a username in capital letter or small letter or camel notation, they all will treat as same. You cannot use COBOL reserved word to define username. For example, COBOL reserved word like identification, division, procedure, program ID, it cannot be used as a username. Next thing is how we can practice COBOL coding. On the screen, I have given links of Micro Focus Visual COBOL, Open COBOL, and Online COBOL compiler. Micro Focus Visual COBOL and Open COBOL are integrated development environment or IDE. You need to download them and install in your system. Whereas Online COBOL compiler, you can directly write the code and execute it. However, it will have some limitations. I hope you have learned something from this lesson. See you in the next lesson.